Hi, in this video we are going to see the PhD admission notification from one of the National Institute of Technology, and here the selection is based upon the all over India PhD entrance test, guys. That means NIT is going to conduct the entrance test, and for this test you may apply from any state from the India, guys, and the fellowships are available for the full-time research scholars, and eligibility is the only post-graduation. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UGC NET preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. Present content of the video. So it is National Institute of Technology, Jamshedpur. So from this one, the admission to PhD program for autumn semester 2021 to 22, the information brochure as well as the notification also released here. So you may check down. First we will see the whatever the different departments the PhD vacancies are announced, and the corresponding research areas you may select, guys. That means I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video. So if you belongs to this department, then just please check down whether your corresponding research areas are there or not. Okay. So civil engineering, computer applications, computer science and engineering, electrical engineering, electronics and communication engineering, mechanical engineering, metallurgical and materials engineering, and production and industrial engineering, chemistry. And coming to the humanities, social science and management, English as well as the management and mathematics and physics. Fine. So total these are the different departments, guys. And if you are not belongs to these departments, then please share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to these departments. It will be very much helpful to them. And here the categories of PhD program, the different categories are there. One is the institute research scholars, and the second one is the sponsored research scholars. Next, third one is self-financed research scholars, and fourth one is self-financed research scholars part-time. Okay, and one more one is also there here, faculty or staff or sponsored project fellow of NIT Jamshedpur part-time, external registration program, executive PhD. Fine. So out of all these things, mainly you focus on the institute research scholars full-time, guys. So candidates under this category are entitled for fellowship from the institute as per the MHRD. That means you will get the fellowship, guys. But if you want to apply for the full-time institute research scholars, then you must have the GATE or NET qualification must be there. Even though if you are having the UGC NET assistant professor, CSIR NET lecturership, no problem, you may apply for this one. You will get the fellowship from the institute, guys. Okay, so the candidates who qualified for the UGC or the CSI or JRF, they will get the stipend from the corresponding agencies. But the candidates who qualified only for the assistant professor or the lecturership, you will get from the institute side, guys. Okay. And coming to the number of vacancies under the institute research scholars, I mentioned here. So for CHCE, a total 69 vacancies are there under the full-time institute research scholar, guys. And coming to the sponsored research scholars and self-financed part-time as well as full-time, and faculty staff are sponsored project fellow of NIT Jamshedpur and external registration program. So you may check down the eligibility conditions here. And qualification for the eligibility, PhD in program, master's degree in relevant branch of engineering or technology with minimum 60% of marks or equivalent, CPA 6.5, or else bachelor's degree. Okay. And next, PhD in sciences, computer applications, humanities, social science and management, just master's degree with minimum of 60% is required. And coming to the selection procedure, is based upon the good academic record as well as written test and the interview conducted by the department. Okay. And how to apply for this one is that the online application form and the information brochure for the admission to PhD program are available in the institute website, and the registration fee is 1000 rupees for the open OBC and EWS candidates and 500 rupees in the case of SC, ST, PWD candidates. Okay. And the candidates who are employed and wish to do the PhD must submit the sponsorship or also no objection certificate from the employer. And you have to check down the following documents, okay, that you have to attach. Fine. So proof of payment or else a self-attested copy of your 10th and +2 and degree certificates and OB7, if any caste certificates are there, those things. And coming to the important dates, advertisement released on 17th May and the last date for receipt of application form is 21st June 2021. And the information regarding interview call will be uploaded on institute, that is 7th 7 2021, and the remaining, that is written test or else the interview at NIT Jamshedpur and the results and date of admission, all these things will be communicated later. And the link for the online application process is given here. Okay, I will show you. And students may require staying one more day if interview is not completed on the scheduled date. So you have to prepare for the 2 days. Okay, stay in the college itself. Okay, because interview is not done, then you have to wait for the next day also. And while coming to the online application form, okay, it is online application form, guys. So the last date is 21st June 2021, and the 1,000 rupees fee for the open and OBC and 500 rupees for the SC ST. And I think you will be the new registration, then click on the new registration, then you have to fill up a few details. So after filling up those details, then you will be provided with application ID as well as the password. So both these two you have to complete your online application procedure. Okay, guys. So remember, all candidates seeking admission to the PhD program are required to fill and upload their application form by 21st June 2021. Okay, and address for correspondence is given here. So you may check down. If you are having any queries, here the telephone number as well as the email ID is also provided here. So regarding this advertisement, if you are having any queries or else if you are facing some technical issues, then you may contact to this number or else you may put your mail to this mail ID, guys. Okay. And here the application for the backward OBC certificate is given here. The format is given. Okay, you may check down, guys. Fine. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunity. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on this see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one, you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6 month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of these different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, and this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF, and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay, so based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.